Are you sad that your photos show yellow teeth? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly fix that in Lightroom Classic. Let us take this image for example. Let's go to the develop module and zoom into the picture. Now you can see the yellow teeth of this person here. For us to remove yellow teeth, all we have to do is to click on a single preset. Let me show you what that preset is and where it lies. Go to the develop module and expand the preset section. Once you expand the preset section, you see a preset group called adaptive portrait. Expand the adaptive portrait group and click on the preset called Whiten teeth. Once you click on Whiten teeth, the preset is applied. The system automatically identifies teeth in this image and applies the correction only for that area. Let me show you how it was before and how it is now. The image can still be improved. For this, all you have to do is to go to the amount section. So here there is something called preset amount. When you increase the preset amount, so it becomes more bright. Let me show you how it looks at 0 and how it looks at 200. Another approach to remove yellow teeth from an image. Go to the develop module here and click on the masking icon. When you click on the masking icon, a panel opens. Click on the people section and click on the thumbnail that is generated by the system. Once you click on the person one component here, a group of attributes open for this person. Here, just select teeth option and create a mask out of it. When you create a mask out of it, the system automatically identifies teeth in this image. Here, you can turn on the show overlay to know what portions of your image has been selected. You can toggle on and off to see the effect. So once the mask is created, click on the mask and go to the preset section here. Click on this drop down and now select teeth whitening. Once you select teeth whitening, automatically the mask has applied corrections to the teeth. This is how it was before and this is how it is now. If you want to increase the brightness, you can just increase the exposure of this mask so that the teeth is much brighter, and you can also play with saturation to increase or decrease the color values here. Now let us take another example. In this case, let me apply the Whiten teeth preset to get rid of the yellow teeth. As you can see, there is no effect in the picture. The teeth stays yellow even after applying the Whiten teeth preset. Let me increase it to 200, no effect. So what happened here is, the system failed to identify teeth in this image. Now when I click on this masking component, it says unable to select teeth in this photo. Let us try manually how we can fix this problem. I'll click on the masking icon and then go to the brush tool. I'll click on the brush tool and gently select the area where there are teeth in the image. So I'll gently apply the brush all over the teeth. So I'll just click on the brush and go to the preset as I showed in the previous example. Click on the drop down, custom drop down, and I'll select teeth whitening again. So the mask applied corrections to the teeth area. You can see how it was before, how it is now. Isn't it amazing? And that's all it takes. Just a few quick adjustments in Lightroom Classic and those yellow teeth are gone. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more Lightroom tips, and let me know in the comments what other edits you would like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.